Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my little sister and with my fake pet, a new fake pet.
This is mine. And
This is mine.
And this is
Her
mine.
name is Minami.
Her name is Minami.
It's Japanese.
Yeah,
Her name is
Minami.
Minami. Her name is Saya.
Saya. Yeah. All Japanese.
Yeah, because Saya is English, Japanese, something like that. So this is their room.
Her room.
This so fluffy.
Ponchik,
And-
ponchik, ponchik.
So this is their decoration or something to play, like catch, whee, something like that. They can play together. Inside there is their toy. So this is their toy.
We share.
Yeah, they share. And this is their food. Their food. It's a store. The other is this. When we go for walk, I am putting in their neck.
これミーノだよ.
That's all.
That's all, yeah.
So I will show you what my dog Saya can do. So demo. Yeah, I think this. When we touch here. I'm so scared. Something like that. And so cute.
And mine is
So something like that. I have off, play, and demo. I like off. No, I hate off. I hate off, and I like demo. So second one is Minami.
Minami. She's a baby, so she can just play.
Yeah, mine is like 6 years old.
Mine is like 2 years old.
He's so cute. Yeah, she's
Yeah.
cute, so cute.
She cannot
And-
talk.
So it's broken. I'm so sorry. Cause this I got from my 3 years old birthday. Now I'm 9. Wow, very long time ago. And I gave to my little sister because my friend gave me this. She didn't want it. My friend gave me this. That's it.
So, bye.
And wait, one more thing to tell you. Up, I have something that I make. It's not very good, but I made it. Dun, dun, dun. So thank you for watching this video. Comment down below, big thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel. I just have 13 channel.
Bye.
I just have 13 subscribers. I want like 100 more subscriber. Bye. Peace. Doggy,
Say the meal.
doggy.